In this episode of Gav Details, we're going to be waking up the sleeping giant. So the car had the oil changed in December, and it was put on the trickle charger, and it's pretty much been like this the entire time. The only thing that I did was I had the wheels off and redone, and then the new drag radials installed in the back. So what I like to do is there are two sensors right here on the fuel rail, one on the driver's side, one on the passenger side. I disconnect the sensors, and then that allows the motor to crank, but obviously with no fuel it doesn't turn over, and this allows the oil pressure to build up so that on like a 5-month cold start, the engine isn't dry, sucking all the oil up from the pan. So I'm going to go ahead and do that, crank the car, reconnect the sensors, and then start them up. Okay, so the maiden spring voyage for 2018 is complete. Tires feel great on the road. It was still kind of cool today, 50 degrees, so I didn't try to push any limits, especially from a dead stop. But tomorrow we're gonna go and recheck all the lugs and everything, and tomorrow's going to be warmer, so we'll probably take the car out again tomorrow. So for a how to bring your car back to life in the springtime cold start video, if you like the video, give it a thumbs up, and for upcoming detailing videos, please hit the subscribe button. Thanks.